friends. We are going to read a story today. It's called When Spring Comes. Before we read the story, there are some vocabulary words that we are going to work on. The pictures that you're looking at are showing winter. What do you notice about winter? It's a season when it's cold, when it may snow. We may see things like ice, and the days and light are shorter. This is the season of spring. How is the season of spring different from winter? You're right. It looks like it's warmer. We see flowers growing, and we do not see snow. Usually we don't. This is a blossom, and a blossom comes from a bud. It opens up into a flower. So when a flower first opens up, it is called a blossom. These are mounds. These are mounds, and mounds are a small hill of dirt, a pile. These are shoots or sprouts. They're the first part of a plant that comes up out of the dirt. Usually you'll see very tiny leaves starting to grow on them. These are shoots. So here is our story, When Spring Comes, by Kevin Hinkes, illustrated by Laura Dronzik. Before spring comes, the trees look like black sticks against the sky. But if you wait, spring will bring leaves and blossoms. If you wait, spring will make the leftover mounds of snow smaller and smaller and smaller until suddenly they're gone. Before spring comes, the grass is brown. But if you wait, spring will turn it green and add little flowers. If you wait, an egg will become a bird. A seed will start growing. Do you see the sprouts and the blossoms, the buds and the blossoms? Spring comes with sun, and it comes with rain, and more rain, and more rain. Do you like mud? Do you like puddles? I hope you like umbrellas. Before spring comes, the garden is just dirt and empty. But if you wait, spring will push green shoots through the dirt to fill up the garden. And spring will call out pussy willows and new kittens too. Spring can come quickly or slowly. It changes its mind a lot. But when spring is finally here to stay, you will know it. There will be buds and bees and boots and bubbles. There will be worms and wings and winds and wheels. Where do you see wheels? I see several. You're right, on the bike and on the wheelbarrow. Good job. You will feel it. You will smell it. You will hear it. Pause the video and I want you to tell someone at home one thing that you feel in the spring, one thing you smell in the spring, and one thing you might hear in the spring. I was thinking I could feel the grass under my feet or on my skin as I sat for a picnic. I could smell all the flowers that are growing, and I might hear a bumblebee buzzing by. What do you think you'll feel? What can you smell? What can you hear? All right, good job. When spring is finally here to stay, you might think you are done waiting. But You are not. Now you have to wait for summer. The end. I hope you like that story that we read together. Don't forget to do your activity on Seesaw, and I'll see you on our next story. Have a great day.